First question, actually first set 10 seconds each. First question. The common name of okra is simpler than its scientific name, Abelmoschus esculentus. Why then is the simpler common name not used instead of the complex scientific name in biology? Yes.
Madam, this is because the scientific name in biology is used, and this is because okra has different names in different languages, and thereby the scientific name is accepted worldwide, which is the Latin form, so that anyone who hears Abelmoschus esculentus can understand what it stands for. Since okra in different languages have different names.
Yes. On that note, how many of us here are going to have a Abelmoschus esculentus for dinner? Great. All right. Next one. How does a gap junction facilitate intercellular? Yes, Richmond?
It allows the transport of hormones and other substances between these cells, and some things like nutrients and materials that are needed between these cells. So they provide a gap that enhances the movement of substances from the cytoplasm of one cell to the next cell, and thereby enhancing the communication.
Yes. Next one. A student was exposed to an organism and produced specific antibodies against the organism. What name is given to this type of immunity? Yes, Richmond.
Adaptive immunity.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds. An LR circuit with a time constant of 400 microseconds is shorted after a steady current has been established. Find the current in the shorted circuit 800 microseconds after it attains 0.20 amperes. Yes, Eden.
2.7 by 10 to the power negative 2 amperes.
Yes. Next one. A 50 Newton horizontal force pulls a 3 kilogram object attached to a 2 kilogram object by a light inextensible string. The two objects lie on a smooth horizontal surface. What is the tension in the string? Yes, Which of you, Andrew?
20 newtons.
Yes. Next one. Estimate the inductance of a solenoid wound with 800 turns per meter whose volume is 1.2 times 10 raised to the power negative 6 meter cubed. Yes, Eden. Go.
9.6 by 10 to the power negative 11 Henry.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Go ahead, Richmond.
9.6 by 10 exponents minus 7 Henry.
That's incorrect. The right answer is 0.97 nanohenry or 9.7 times 10 raised to the power negative 10 Henry. Next set, 30 seconds each. Find the stationary point of y is equal to the expression 2x plus 1 over the expression x minus 2. Yes. Eden.
The stationary point is given by, like, there is no stationary point.
Okay. Please, for the next one, give me your answer unambiguously. That's a warning to you. Unambiguous answers, okay? All right, so this is the question. The fifth term of an exponential sequence is 80, and the eighth term is 640. Find the general term. Yes, Richmond.
It means me.
Go.
The general term un is equal to 5 multiplying 2, that's 2 exponent n minus 1.
Okay. Next one. Two angles of a cyclic quadrilateral measure 53 degrees and 115 degrees respectively. Find the measures. Yes, Eden.
The other angles are 127 degrees and 65 degrees.
Yes. Next one, 10 seconds. two half cells, M+/M and Q+/Q, where M and Q are metals, have the electrode potentials 1.20 and -0.850 volts respectively. Which of the two metals can react with dilute mineral acid to release? Yes, Eden.
Kill. And kill metal can react with dilute mineral acid to release hydrogen gas. And the reason is that kill has a negative reduction potential. And kill has a negative reduction potential. And that
That's
of hydrogen.
incorrect. Again?
Has a negative reduction potential.
Okay. Next one, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Give the main difference in the definitions of an acid according to the Arrhenius theory and according to the Bronsted. Yes.
According to the Arrhenius theory, an acid is a substance that dissolves in water or in aqueous medium to produce hydrozonium ions. And according to the Bronsted-Lowry concepts, an acid is a substance which is a proton donor. And I'm not sure.
Okay. Next one, 30 seconds. Butane isomerizes to 2-methylpropane or isobutane in an equilibrium process. If a 1.00 decimeter cube flask is charged with 2.00 mole of butane at 30 degrees Celsius and the gas allowed to come to equilibrium, calculate the equilibrium concentration of butane and isobutane at 30 degrees Celsius, given that the equilibrium constant Kc is 2.50. Okay. So the concentration of butane is 0.570 mole per decimeter cubed, and the concentration of isobutane is 1.43 mole per decimeter cubed. That's the end of the speed race.